Today we're making smoked pork chops. I'm just doing what I'm told. Flour, egg, parm and seasoning, barbecue, and parm.
That made you gross. Shallow fry in beef tallow. Beef tallow. Yeah.
Drop down.
You can't really taste it because the smoke from the pork chops comes through. The Parmesan makes a nice crust. Who told you to do the Parmesan?
I'll get your plate, buddy. I like having a dude. I like having a dude that can cook.
Just put it in your mouth.
Get out.